Hey guys, Phoenix here with a new channel Lemma on Lambo Crypto Forecast, and today we're gonna look at three different coins: XPT, TRX, and ADA. So before going for the technical analysis, the disclaimer is pretty much clear. It's not a financial advice. Please do your own research. Alright, saying this, let's look at XPT. So after the violent drop, we are trapped between the price range of 3000 and 2000 range. So if we have a closer look, it's mostly some sort of ascending triangle, and this pattern is very much incomplete if we look at the typical ascending triangle. This one is A wave, this one is B, C, D, and E is yet to come. So what we can expect right now is this pattern likely gonna complete with a small retracement, or retesting of this trend line. As XPT just test this XPT might test this trend line, and certainly we're gonna have some sort of drop in price and completion of this pattern ABCD pattern. And here we can have two cases: one is the bullish and second one is the bearish. So if we're gonna for a bullish case, we might have some sort of fake out like this to trap most of the short orders. Most of the people may go for the short orders, and what we can see at that level is there is not further drop in the price, and the price gonna continue moving upwards, and finally we can have a breakout on the upside of this ascending triangle, which is the bullish one. And if we typically gonna look at the target of this bullish breakout, it can be as high as this range. And so if you look at the bullish case, this is one of the case which is right into my mind. This one is the bullish case, and if you look for the bearish one, it would be like completion of this pattern with some bounce to trap most of the players, most of the longs here, and that could be a violent drop to the lower levels, retesting this previous low or new yearly low. That can be as low as this range or even this range. So what to do right now? Basically what I'm thinking right now, I'm just laddering up the most of the shorts because I'm much more bearish than bullish. Only reason I'm bearish is there is significant decrease in the volume after the volume drop. If we look at this thing, after the volume drop, the volume is typically lowering down. There's completely decrease in the volume. Now the volume is below the average moving volume. So that's one of the reasons. Second reason why I'm bearish, because it's below 200 moving average. If you look at the weekly chart, it's below 200 moving average, which is one of the reason why I'm so much bearish on XPT for now. It can be a small retrace or retesting of this trend line, or it can be a continuation of down move. So be safe guys. I'm not sure yet, but certainly we're gonna complete this pattern. Maybe we can have some sort of bull trap, and down, not sure. So these two were the cases which I like to share with you. And let's look at altcoins like ADA. All right, so back into my channel, I just shared with people to just buy AD at this range, because I was very much sure that AD is making some sort of head and shoulder pattern, inverted head and shoulder pattern, and this one is left shoulder, this one is right shoulder, and we pretty much completed the, sorry, this one is head and this one is right shoulder. So pretty much we had completed the right shoulder. So this one is one of the reversal pattern. And by the way, if you are not into a group or channel, and if you are likely to join a community, please check out the description. I have just tried to post the link below. Actually, I have not tried. I I post the link of my Telegram channel in the description below. Please go check out and join the party with us. Alright, so looking at the ADA, it's an inverted head and shoulder pattern, and I'm very much bullish right now. Okay, so what to do? Either to buy this range or wait for the breakout. I would rather suggest you to wait for the breakout rather than just buying right now. If you are the buyer at this region, please ride the wave with added stop loss just about your entry position. If you are one of the lucky person who just follow my chart. Alright, so what I am suggesting is to wait for this breakout and just ladder up your buys after this breakout. Let me share you the typical and never find my brush tool so easily. Alright, yeah, so I would rather suggest you to just wait for this breakout, read testing of the resistance level, and just enter most of your buying range, or just ladder the buy at this zone and ride the rest. Alright, so what I'm targeting right now, if this breakout take place, I'm very much bullish for ADA up to this range. That is, my first target is very much near to 1700 sets, and second target is like 2000 Satoshi. Alright, so I'm very much bullish for ADA, keeping XPT in my mind. What I think right now is there can be some sort of pullback, maybe to flush some of the I mean what I mean to say is, some of the trader will exit right here at this resistance level, and just try to flush out sellers. So I think so the smart money will try to retrace some of retrace to some level like this level, and continue the trend upside. This is what I think right now. Okay, so I'm very much bullish for ADA, but keeping in mind of XPT, we should keeping in mind the XPT, we should alright so keeping in mind the XPT, we should wait for ADA to break up. Let's check out the TRX. Alright, what I observed in the TRX after the previous pump, TRX went for the accumulation stage and hit to the golden target at this range. Alright, the same things go this time. If you look for the previous pump, retrace it again hit the golden target. So why I'm doing this thing, just to illustrate one of the similarities between this move and this move. One thing which I believe gonna replicate in this move is this downward move right up to gonna replicate this move right here. So what I'm thinking is this: the same move gonna be repeated once again, as we know that history gonna repeat itself. So this thing, I'm much more biased to this move. This move gonna replicate right here. Another case, which is a bullish case, which I'm thinking right now, is if TRX just bounce in this range, in this buying range, I would actually wait for the confirmation or wait for first higher low to add my most of the long position. Like if it bounce, like I will add most of my long position first of the higher low, and just ride the rest of the rally. So if this the if TRX actually gonna bounce from this level, I would target most of the fear zero point 0.5 fib level, and second target will be my 0.6 of fib level. So this is a bullish scenario, while which previously I shared was a bearish scenario, that it might continue to drop and no scope of recovering. Yeah, so what I see is I think so TRX gonna continue to move fall, uh, or may continue to move downwards, because there is no yet sign of reversal. There is no increase in the volume. There is actually no sign. I'm sorry for this. There is no sign to enter the trade. So I'm just right now waiting at this level to see whether this level gonna retest and we can have some sort of bullish sign in this range. So if I want to just take this as a buying opportunity, I would rather let most of my buy here, with added that RSI make some sort of bullish sign, which actually I'm not sure about TRX, but yeah, it's not good looking at now. I'm very much bearish on TRX until it bounces in this range. So keeping things XPT in my mind, I think so this downfall will be continue rather than having some sort of recovery. Saying this, guys, it was my first video, and if you like the video, or if you want this video series to be continue, please subscribe, please like this video, please share with your friend as much as you can. And if you are not in a Telegram group, please check out the description below. I just link both the channels and the group, where you can share your ideas and your opinions. All right, thank you.